So means in previous session what we had discussed, can anyone go with that quick revision? What was that previous session? No idea.
Yes. Yes, we are talking about that means position fixed, sticky, absolute, and static.
Okay, so actually those are too much important topic. I will tell, as much you will practice, you will get a clearance over that. Okay, if you're not practicing, it will get means you will be in the doubt. That is the thing. So try to practice as much possible. Then only you will get too much clearance over that one. Okay, so now we are on day 8. Okay, day 8 1.html. Yeah. Okay, so I think no one have any doubt regarding those one. Okay, regarding the previous topic, like selectors are there, then different parts of then we had a study Z index, and then what selectors, then Z index position. Yeah, so I think no one have any doubt because we had given lot of time over that, and now everyone is aware regarding that one. Okay, so now move to
Sir,
the next one. Yeah.
sir, for index, repeat
Yeah.
one time,
Okay,
sir.
I going to do that. Let me run my server. Z index, that was I think last topic.
Yes, sir.
I think it will be in the overflow there. Okay, go in 8. Yeah, go live server. Open with live server. See what you getting here. You can see this. The backside images are there. Okay, and some text which is written. Text is written on the top. How we had passed the Z index value, and what is that value? Z index equal to -1 I had given. On which tag? The tag is image. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means on image. Well, you can pass that class also, that's not the matter, but we had given on the image tag. So with this one, what you want to pass the Z index, because by default the paragraph will be somewhere available. Okay,
Yes, sir.
paragraph will be available somewhere, but due to Z index, the image is coming up or down, means front or back, like that you can tell. Now move this word means -1 and pass this as 1. Okay, and let's save. Let's verify what happened. Now see, due to 1, the image gone inside. How you will verify the image gone in, means text got inside or not? Comment this image tag. Okay, means you will get the text. Now you are getting the text, and due to background, in background we had passed a style, background color. That's why we getting that background red. Fine. So
Yes,
this
sir.
way
Yes.
we can verify and we can check that how Z index is working. And now Z index become
Yes.
1, means image is on top and text become inside. Now pass -1.
Yes.
Let's see. It came like this. Okay. So same thing you can apply on videos and this thing everywhere. And with the help of position also, it going to help you too much. Due to position, you can place and you can set like a relative, absolute, fixed, those all. Okay, so it will work in that
Okay,
way.
sir. Sir,
Clear?
when we use image in head section.
uh no, anywhere. Where is the image head section? This is a style.
Yes, sir. Style. Okay.
This is CSS. This is nothing. You have to move this one in the external CSS. Correct.
Okay.
Now
Correct, sir.
we have to follow the property actually. Now see 1 second. Yeah, now what we had written a style in the head section. Okay, but we have to move this one in the external CSS. So what you will do, you will just cut this one
Yeah.
and paste in the external CSS. Correct, and you will
Correct,
get
sir.
that.
And
And as
give a
usual,
class.
yeah, you can give the class. Don't give img tag here. It's going okay, but you can write the class name and pass it. Mostly try to prepare the class name itself. img1. I giving the
Yeah.
class name this one. Okay. Now see what will happen. remove this and dot and control V. Okay, and now save. Now see, as usual, we got the output in the backside. Correct or not?
Yes.
Correct, sir.
So we have to always go with which one? Class name or ID, whatever, but don't go with a tag. It will be very difficult when you have more number of line of code. So it become too much complicated to handle those. Okay. So we will
Okay.
not go. Clear? So
Okay,
this
sir.
was just we are writing always where in the case of head section. In head section already we had seen we writing meta tag, then title is already in there. So that's why, and head means a style also we be writing in where? We writing a style also in the head. Okay, so that's why we placing this one here. So can you tell one thing? If we writing this one in the bottom, suppose that after body, will it work or not? Let's see.
No.
It had worked.
No works, sir. Works,
It
sir,
had worked.
in the footer section.
Yeah, no, it will work. Okay, but the problem sometime it will give you issue. What issue? Suppose that this file had requested some class.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this file had requested some class and it got in the here itself. So it's fine. But sometime in case of JavaScript, we will see that when you altering the position, okay, effect will not there due to because when it requesting and the thing it not available, then it will not go, it will not get the effect. Got this? So we will always try to prepare to put our style in external CSS or otherwise in internal then head section. Okay, and who have more priority? Internal, inline, and external. Out of these three, who
External.
have more? No, we had discussed this. Inline have more priority. If you passing anything in inline, it going to override. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it will override you. So inline have more preference. Inline in the sense with tag itself, what we are writing. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Clarity, that's not the issue, but we know how to write the code in the external, inline, and internal. That's it. That's fine. So now we will move in our next topic, which is also most important, that is float. Meanwhile, what we were doing, we was just taking anyway, we was managing to write the code. But now we going in step by step in the journey of CSS. Okay. So now what are you getting from the term float? Just a general term. Can anyone? What are you getting from the term float?
Sir, float for using any text and image giving side for left to right.
Yeah. So float, with the help of float, we can move our where we had passed float like image or anything, we will pass that one left, right, in which direction you want to move. So here one image tag is, let me add my image. IMGE, and I will take, where is that? High GIF. Okay, let's go with this itself. And now you have to, who is means who all is available now? Praful is there, correct? Yeah. So wait, let me first check who all is available.
There are only 4 members available.
Let it to be. I know. Actually, Vivekanand, I don't know. He's busy in exams. But today is Sunday. He have to at least. Geeta is there. Then Afroz. Where he gone, Afroz? Maybe he busy from now itself in exam. Ritvik had told, he had told that he will be he going outside somewhere. It's 2 o'clock. He had told that. Let it to be. They thinking this also as a university exam. No problem. They already have degree. Okay. So in this case, what we are observing, that this image is somewhere in the right side of the content. Correct or not? Just go in the full screen. What are you observing here? Where is the image?
The
Hello?
right side.
Right side. So what I will do, I will check that code. Wait. So just to go one time with the code, what we had passed in the image float right. That's it. Okay. And on which tag?
In IMG tag.
IMG tag. So that's why image going to float means it will be in the right side. Now do one thing. Let's comment this. You had Ritesh Kumar started a call. Okay. So see, float right. I had commented that. Let's save and let's see where you got the image. Now
In left
where the
side, sir.
image left side. Okay, means by default the image is available in which side?
Left
Because
side.
now there is no float or nothing is there. I commented these codes. Nothing is there. Means by default the float is available in the left side. So now I going to move in the right side. This way we
Sir,
can move in the right side.
sir, Ritvik
Yeah.
call in group 2 in a Skype. Sir.
No, that is Ritesh.
Ritesh.
Yeah, 7 o'clock the time is for that batch actually. So that's why they're calling. Just
Okay.
disconnect from your side. If you are member of that one, just disconnect that. So IMG float right. You are member of batch 2 also. Tamir?
Yeah, no. I'm member of batch 2, not discussion batch. Group discussion batch.
Then how you got call in that from batch 2?
Okay, 1 minute. Let me check from which group I get call. Yes, I get call batch 2.
Means you are batch 2 member. How you got that link?
I don't know.
Let me remove. Wants to schedule a call, leave technology, leave your discussion. See
And
what all member.
Let it be. No issue. Tomorrow
Okay.
morning I'll join. Okay, let it be.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the default? What is the value? Image float right. Fine. So with the help of this, we can move image, text, anything. In which direction? Right, left. There is no any center. Okay. So don't ask this question that center is there or not. So we had tried two things. One is by default left, one is right. Any dot anyone have? Tell me. So float left is there and float right be seen. Now example no float. What it will do actually? No float. Anyone can? Float none. What it will do?
It will be not.
Image non-move.
What it will do? Go with none.
Image not.
Let's see. No float is there. As like
De-
left, you can tell stat by default.
By default.
Yeah. So this one. Now next thing float none completed. Float completed. What is next? What is written? This one float next to each other. Okay. Now I going to show this demo. Are now simple topics. Okay. Whatever topics was difficult, we already covered. Amardeep, had you attended morning class?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
So I have perfect answer. I have not missed any class.
Oh,
Sure.
you will get a 100% attendance call to get award. Previously, we was getting that ad now.
Sir, I have 15 years perfect attendance record, sir, in my school.
Oh, great. These all are genius who going to school per day. Deep background. Oh, I know this error. Why this is actually coming. Morning also it was coming same thing. Due to this one. Empty space. You know, Amardeep, that's why you are now in TCS. Because 100% accuracy. TCS want this. Okay. So what we had done, we had taken some text. Okay. And we had placed, okay, 1 second. Wait. Let me comment this one first. What happened? Okay, let me first go through that. What about a div? Div is block level or inline?
Block level.
Block level.
Block level. means it will go into new line or same line?
Same line.
Line, block level,
New line.
Sir,
new line.
new line.
Block level means a new line, correct? So
Yes.
means that's why we had got this div in the new line. Okay.
Batch 2. Who is guest
Guest
user?
record. So see, left that. So what happened here? Div 1, div 2, div 3. Three thing is there and it placing below of each, correct? Because those are div. What I want, I not want to place like this. I want to place nearby one other. Okay. I want to place like that. What we had done? We had passed three thing here. Now wait, I will remove this. What about padding? What it will do? Padding 50 pixel. Tell me.
Yeah, like div. Whatever div 1 is there, no?
Yeah.
It will be take margin from inside. It will be take margin inside.
Means for all div, correct?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it will take a 15% padding in which direction?
Sir, all that.
All direction.
All
Top,
direction.
button, right, left.
Okay, let's see what it will do. Is any requirement for explaining this also? Background
No,
color.
No, sir.
No.
No?
One is enough.
One
One
second.
example.
Here they have taken background yellow. Background dash color was there, na? This also one tag, I think. I don't know. Background dash color. Let's see what it doing. Oh, that I removed. So-
Due to padding, it's affected.
So due to padding, what we got? What is this? Shweta, it is starting call. Oh my God! Everybody is starting call in different group. Samir, can you do one thing?
Yes.
Can you join that group discussion batch?
Okay.
And tell to her to join that batch 2. And
Batch
one time
2.
just yeah, batch 2. And one time enter in the batch 2 also, and let's see that class is going that or not.
Okay. Okay.
Meanwhile, I will go this. Okay. So what we had done, we had passed padding 15 pixel. Okay.
Hello.
So due to padding 15
Hello.
pixel.
Hello. Shweta is here.
Mute.
Hello. Shweta is here. Hello, Shweta. Can you hear me?
Wait, okay. See, this is the functionality of online. You can switch in other, you can jump and come out. Okay. So what we had done, we had passed padding 15 pixel. What it done? It occupied 15 pixel padding in all direction of a div. Now I not want to place like this. Pass float. Okay. Float left. What it will do actually? Tell me first. Float left. Hello. Amardeep, Abhishek.
Sir, left is by default is not working.
Okay, left by default you getting, but this we are forcing to someone to place in left, correct or not?
Sir, for, in padding, left
See, one thing.
margin is increasing.
One thing. We had not saved the file. First thing, we are just imagining. Okay, we are
Okay.
trying to get output that what it will do. That is the thing. So float left we had pass means it will came all the things in the left side with a
Yes.
padding 15 pixel. Now see what it done. Padding is 15 pixel, correct?
Yeah.
And float you had passed left. So that's why it came all the things in the one direction. Got this? Same thing we can do using which one? Block level, sorry, inline element, display inline.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Correct.
Yeah. So with the help of float also we can do the same thing. So with the help of float and padding, we had make one proper alignment. Anyone having any issue? Samir came.
Yeah, I already came. That class is going. All
She was
are
there.
yeah, all are in class.
Okay. So see, so with the help of a padding and float, what we had done, with the help of padding, we got the space all around 15 pixel. But we not want like this. We want to place each a small block sidewise. What we can do? Float left. It came in this way. Okay, do one thing. Apply float right. What it will do? Let's verify. Float right. Save. What happened? It had not done anything. It had just place your complete div in the right side. Correct or not?
Sir, I have one question. I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Previously, div 1, div 2, div 3, these are all
Yeah.
block level.
Yeah. Block level. Correct.
How that become inline level? With the
Yeah.
help
We
of
had done the padding only.
For
See, just
using
comment
padding.
this first one. We had pass padding. Now see, this is block level.
yes,
Correct.
yes.
Now just add float right or float left. Anything. Okay. Just go float left itself and save. What happened?
No,
It
just
had
that padding after that we'll see.
what?
Oh, due to padding, it's become inline.
Yeah, you can. Because due to padding, what happened? It occupied all the space in 50 pixel.
Okay.
Correct or not? Just remove this and go with 100 pixel. See, the box size will increase. Correct?
Okay, sir, tell me one thing.
Yeah.
If you remove that padding,
Okay.
div 1, div 2, it is just look like block level. And I want
Okay.
to space, I want to padding in block level, like that data will be appear in vertical wise. And vertical wise,
Okay.
in between I need padding.
Means you telling that you want in the vertical, but you want some space there between
Yes,
one block, second block, third block.
yes.
Now you can tell me what property I will use. Which property you will means it will give you. You telling this one, correct? We
Yeah,
want a gapping between each one. Div 1,
yes,
div 2, div 3, correct?
yes.
We had a study in the case of table. Tell me, that day we had seen. What was that?
That
Use
will
margin.
go. Margin
Use
top.
margin top you can pass and go with
Yes.
2 pixel. Let's see what it going to do. See, the space came. Got this?
Yes.
Go with 20 pixel. More spaces came. Correct? So this
Okay.
way we can pass a margin because what we know, margin means outside the boundary.
Mhm.
Correct? And
Yes.
padding is inside boundary. So that's why we getting the space outside.
Okay,
Clear?
got it.
And the same thing, if we want on the block level, our block also, do one thing. Take padding, it will give 100 pixel. Okay. And go with left. It given you one block completely. But what about margin? Why not work? Can anyone explain?
Yeah, in I think so. In inline level, margin will not work.
Wait. What we had written margin?
Margin top we written.
Top means what? It will come in
Oh,
the top. But where we
yes.
want?
We want in between, like whatever.
Right side.
Yes,
Right side. So pass right.
top right.
Margin right. Go and take 10 pixel. 2 pixel. Okay. Net save. Came.
Yeah, got it.
What this?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
What about others? Had you seen what we had done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when we had make that like a block level element, and if we want some gapping between each, we had pass just margin top because we want margin in the top level. Okay. But here we want margin in the right side or left side. That's why we had pass a margin right. Okay. So that is the thing. Now, okay. So I think regarding float, I think no issue anyone have. or anyone having issue?
No, no issue.
No issue.
No issue.
Okay. Now we will. What about Praful? Praful, why you silent? Roshan had told that put class at 6 o'clock, and he itself is absent. This is India.
Yeah, we are very punctual about our time.
Now see, second, CSS layout clear fix. Okay, two things is there. So when to use float property, we want to next element below, not or the right or left. We have to use clear property. 1 second. When we use float, okay, yeah. So when we using float, what is going to do? We want the next element below. Below means after float, we want the element to be appear in the next down. Wait, I will padding. I will remove this 10 pixel. Yeah. So when we using float, we want the element to be available in the bottom, means next line. Okay, next element below, not on the right and left. Okay, we will use clear property. Let's see. We will check clear also having none, left, right, both inherit. Let's see what it going to do in the case of clear padding border margin. Okay, different are there. So, okay, this is third.html. Who is this?
Batch to reply. I mean, okay, sir, you carry on. Let me handle.
He telling no. Oh, everybody telling no. Okay.
No, sure.
Maybe some mic issue here. Where is that? Okay. Okay. So now what we had done? Take third file. So see what we had taken. This is here. Something is there without clear. Okay. And something is with clear. What clear is doing? We will check on the code. So what we have taken below is nothing. Below is just one div property, div1, div2. Okay. Let's comment this one first. Then you will realize more. Okay. So without clear, what it going to do? We have two things. One div, div1, div2. Okay. After that, just move here. Div1, div2. That's it. Div3, div4 is left that. What we had done here we had taken one float. Now just go one by one and tell me what you getting from there or not. So we had taken float left. Okay. Due to this, our element will be in the float left side. Correct. Second, padding 10 pixel. We had given some space. Then boundary is there. For the means border is there. Is anyone having any issue in this one? In this section, div1. Any doubt how what these all are doing? Hello?
No, sir.
No issue. Okay. So float be taken left. Do one thing. First comment this. Let's see this also. And now save. What we got? We got div1 that content in the left side. Okay. And where is that div2 and those? Div2 is here. Div class 2. Okay. But it have to div1. Okay, fine. And div2 float left and padding both came in line. Correct or not? Just now in the previous we had discussed. Div2 float and padding both had came down. See. Correct. So what be done? Oh, sorry. Yeah. So float left we had taken, padding we had taken, and this thing. Now what we observed here, we not looking any differences. Now there is a div2. In div2, what we had done? We had passed padding 10 pixel and border property. That's it. Now save and let's see. Now tell me, where is your div1 and div2? Are you realizing something in Z index? Something like that?
Yes, yes.
What are you realizing?
Sir,
Uh,
firstly, two type of layer type. This is
These two boxes that one box is of red and one is of a demo one, that is green color. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's see what it going to do. Z index equal to -1, it not done anything. Z index equal to 1. Let's see what it doing. It's also not done anything. Okay, wait, I don't know whether it will go back or not. That's here content. That's why. But it will do anything. We are on correct file. Yeah. Okay. It also not. Okay. So I think due to the content and because this is just a border, boundary is there, nothing is there. That's why it's not moving. So what it done? It had not done any changes. Okay. It's normal. Now come to the second one. This is without clear. See the headline. This is without clear. We had not used any clear property. But now come to something. Come to the clear property. You will realize something here. Sorry, what happened? Control slash. My God, why mouse is working like this? Now, what we will do? We will use clear property here. Now see, left padding border. It will come along, correct? Just now we had seen this one, and padding is 10 pixel, border is there, and clear is left. Now see what it going to do. This is with div clear property. Oh, sorry, this one is uncommented. Now see what you observed here actually. Had you observed something?
yes, div3 at the top of div4.
Yeah, means previously without a clear when it was, please start the recording. When it is without a clear, okay, so that time div is coming here, but these all content is there, means one block is placing inside that itself. But when we started div3, then what happened? This become video div3, and due to div3, sorry, due to clear, okay, it due to clear property, what it had done, it placed our div, both div outside, means one become outside, inside, like that, not it overlapping. Okay, so now see one thing, clear we had passed left, that's why this, I think this will be in the left direction. This will be in left direction. Now go with another property, clear, FLO, oh sorry, I writing float, RIGHT, right. Now tell me what happened. Clear, right? What
sir
happened?
without clear.
Without a clear and with clear, what it done? It had placed right side and left side like that. Let me do one thing. Let me increase the screen size. Yeah, this see. Now clear, due to clear, we had placed that in the left side. Now go with a left and save. Where is the clear?
At the top.
Top. And in the first case, where is the clear? By default is in
Without
the,
clear, sir.
means there is no any clear property, so it placing as usual nearby. Okay, so in this case what it done, with clear left and right, it had moved this one. Do one thing, is there any width property? Padding, okay, border 3 pixel, it taking the full space. Okay, nice. Okay, so we got something. Now go through the documentation, this one time. Okay, so with clear, where is that? Float, okay. Yeah, so with clear, what it going to do, when we use a float property, okay, when we use the float property and we want the next element below, got this? I want next element in the below section, as like this one, So below, not on the right or left, means we not want element to be in the right or left side. Okay, so we have to use which one? We have to use the clear property, means due to clear property you will get element in the bottom side, not in the right and left as like this. See, in first there is no anything. Go and do one thing, that is div 1 and use float. Okay, float is there. Let it to be right, RIGHT, right. Where is that element? Div 1.
It's right side,
It
right
move,
side.
it move in the right side, but I want right and left, but not nearby. I want below, like that. So in that case, you can use this one. So what about when we using clear right? What you are doing actually? 1 second. Let's
It's
check.
come inside.
Okay, it had came inside.
We
See,
can
when
we can't say no, it's coming inside. We can say that it's come.
it coming along with,
Yes, along with, we can say.
along that, in the case of right, but when you moving that left, that it going up. And what are others property? None. Okay, let's see that what it going to do. Nothing. Okay, so with this clear, it's like, it's look like you can tell float type itself somewhat, but something different, just minor. For suppose you have to move one block in the up and you have to place another block in the below, so that time you can use this type clear property. Okay, and just to go through the document, the clear property specify that what should happen with the element that is next to the floating element. Okay, clear property can have any value. Okay, none. The element is not pushed. When you have none, pushed below right or left floating element, this is default. Okay, and when you getting left, it going to push below the left floated element, left side and below. Okay, right, it pushed below the right floated element. And both pushed below both left and right floated, inherit. Just do some R&D over this, you will get, but we're not using this much more. That's the thing. These are not much more important, but you can just do R&D, you will get idea. That's it. Next is clear fix hack. If a floated element is taller than the containing element, okay, it will overflow outside the container. We can see the clear fix hack to solve this problem. Means as like overflow we had seen in the morning, correct? Like that. So let's see this also. These all may see, these all are many topics, but these all are not much more important like that. But we will go. We will not skip a single topic. 4.html. Samir, please switch off your fan. We are suffering cold. You have to take care others also. Don't be selfish. We say correct or not?
I will turn on my
Absolutely
AC.
correct, sir.
Yeah, don't be selfish. We have to think regarding others.
I am wearing
Okay.
jacket.
And he is switching on fan. Okay, so here what is the thing without clear fix and with clear fix? Pineapple is there. Okay, let come bring that pineapple. //dot//dot// image, and I will go with where is that hi GIF. Okay, there is another pineapple, this one. SRC, that's fine. Yeah. What you observed here without clear fix is this one.
That
Yeah.
image is outside of the div and
Yeah.
with clear fix inside the div.
Yeah, means this going to place outside as like overflow. Correct. In
Yes.
case of overflow, extra content was going outside. Same thing is there. So with the help of this, we can clear fix and we can whatever extra content is there, we can adjust it with our content itself or outside. Mostly I think this is using with image tag. Let's see. Yeah, see here. Wait, in document itself we will see. So just to go through the code one time. I will go one by. What we had done? We had taken some div, border padding. That's fine. Now image float already we know that left right. Okay. Then image we had taken float right. That's fine. We had taken clear fix. What is that? Overflow auto. That's it. See, nothing is there then because we had passed anyway overflow itself. Got this? We had passed overflow itself. In the daytime, we had studied this. So we can do that on the image section also. Okay, go through here what they are discussing, anything here in this one. So clear fix, if a floated element is taller than the containing element, it will overflow outside the container. We can add that clear fix hack to solve this problem. The same thing, no issue. Clear fix is nothing there, just here modified it. What is this? Overflow auto already okay, working fine. Then overflow, then display table. What is this? Without clear fix. Okay, clear fix and after. Okay, let's go this one. What is this? What is this nonsense topic? These all. So anyone having any issue in this one? This is nothing actually. Whatever we had studied during daytime overflow, that thing itself. Just he had given one name clear fix, and after that he had passed the property. That's it. Overflow. If you going like a overflow hidden, something we had a study, I think overflow hidden is there. Let's see what it's going to do. No, it's not showing. Okay, 1 second. No, hidden is not showing. Okay, let it to be auto. These are just, you can tell, hijacking of the code, different way. That's it. Clear fix not important. 5.html. Let's go here. What is there? Here again image tag. Wait, I will go on W3 school direct. These all things. There is that. Oh, second. Yeah, try it yourself. See on PDF file, when you will get this, you can check directly there. Overflow. Oh, this is part of overflow. No, float. Float left, float right. Okay, clear property. Clear property be seen already. See in clear property, clear fix, what it coming? Image is coming on the top. See in this section, and in this section, image is fitting on that itself. Okay, so what it had done? Clear fix is taken overflow auto. Correct. Taller element will be adjusted inside that itself. So clear fix. Now try this one. For this actually I came here. What it had did, what it had done, just to go through the UI first. What output you observing here? What output? Without clear fix, image is coming outside. It's fine, correct?
And with clear fix, image is coming inside.
Yeah, image is coming inside. So just to go through the code one time. What it had done? What it done? Already we know this one. Div padding border margin, no issue. Then float right, image gone in the right side in both scenario. Fine. Image 2 also gone in the right side.
Right side.
Now, okay. Now come to this one. Clear fix. He had added that property clear fix. It actually not doing anything. Just he had passed the name clear fix. Okay. Class name. Clear fix he taken and something he passed. What about this one?
Pseudo class.
Pseudo class or element?
Pseudo class. Element.
Element, sir.
Now
Double.
the C and E second time. I had told you morning time.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
C is the first letter, E is the second. Second letter means a 2 time. So that 2 time came and after means what? That it going to take the property after, before, like that actually. Okay. So what it going to do? Content colon empty. Okay. Clear both and then display table. It's going to display in table form. Do one thing, remove this after. Let's see before is there. Before is also for that, I think. Where it gone?
Come
See,
down.
in before it's not working. It came directly. Means it's sure we have to pass after itself.
So here, if we need right side, then we are going for after. Suppose in case we have to
Yeah.
need left side.
Yeah, then I think here also we can pass, I think, left. Let's check
Okay.
what happened. Image came
Yes.
left side.
Yes. Yes.
This is
yes.
just a display property, display like block, different things were there. No?
Just
So I
remove that.
think,
Just remove
yeah,
that display table. What effect is happening?
yeah. Let's see what it done. This one. It came empty, means it got collapse as normal. See, without also. Correct. So
And
it not
clear
going
both.
to, which one?
Clear both.
Okay,
What the
clear
what?
both. Oh. It also not, this thing itself not going to do anything. As I feeling. Remove this completely. You will not get anything.
Okay.
And just we will pass a float that overflow auto. It will work.
Okay. Just
Because
try it over here.
yeah, 1 second. Wait, I will copy from this line.
Clear fix.
See, we passed just a clear fix, means not clear fix. This is just a term. No need. Just I had passed overflow auto. It got adjusted with the content and that image. Correct or not?
Okay.
So,
Do that
yeah.
clear fix where we have to call this call class.
Okay. This class is calling on the see last image. Means last div you can tell.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So containing complete div and on that clear fix is calling. So what it doing actually, it is a modern clear fix. Just to go through this. Add the clear fix hack. The term itself hack to containing element to fix this problem. After that, nothing is there. The image is floated to right. It is also taller than the element containing it. So it overflows outside the container. Okay. These are just basic. Whatever we have studied, it containing all those things itself. Nothing is there. So here, overflow auto. Clear fix works well as long as you keep control of your margin and padding. Else you might see a scrollable. Okay, margin padding due to that. Means if we're not passing that, then it will be scrollable. So new modern fix hack, however, is safe to use and following code is used to most web pages. So we can pass this property for clear fix. Then it will be too good actually. Okay, clear? Clear fix is
Yes.
clear. Nothing is there, just clear fix is just name. They had passed. That's it. Okay. So we will move next one. What is this? Image side by side. What is this property? Oh, that pop itself. Image side by side, float image. Okay, clear. Yeah, just I think we seen. Content, style width 100%. Which property this one? Float examples. Grid of boxes. No. Wait, let me go first top. Up to where we covered. Oh, float example is pending. Okay, so whatever we had discussed regarding float, all covered, clear fix, nothing was there. But then also we got that. Now those means just we will get some sample examples. Okay, I will run and we'll see that what it going to do. It's nothing. Now, where is that? HTML5 6.html. Now save this and we will move on. Where is 6? What are you getting here? Some text is there. Okay. Let me remove this. Otherwise, we will get some issue also. So we had Okay, this is clear. Fix board, then some box. Okay, so in this case, what we had done, we had passed something. Okay, and now it coming in one line, the box. Okay, this already discussed. Correct or not? Anyone having issue this one in the first time?
No issue. We already discussed.
Yeah, this is just example. This is like you can tell, see that top grid of boxes. One box is this, then the some box, then some box. Okay, so three type. So nothing is there, already seen this one. What is that one thing regarding the width? How much width we had taken? We had taken width equal to 33.33%. Why? Because your full screen become 100% and you had
Yes.
divided your screen into three part. That's why 33.33%. If you know divide 3 by 3, you will get that value. Same thing we will study in the bootstrap, how you can split your screen into different part. Same thing. Okay, so it's nothing. We had make one box with the help of that CSS float and padding. We already know this one. Next, image side by side. This calls I will go through just CSS. What it done? It had taken some image, used float, width with their pass, padding is there. That's it. Correct. Again, image will come side by side. Correct or not?
Yes.
If you want, I will show you here. See this image. You can make gallery like this type. Okay. So how you making this one? Just by code this one. Float left, width something, and padding something. That's it. Okay. Excuse me.
Okay. What the basically work of box sizing
Where is that box sizing?
at the top after
Box size, border box. I think it will provide you border something. Let's see. Go and take this code. I think in previous also we had taken that code. Box sizing. Yeah. Just 1 second. Okay, do one thing. Comment this. I have not idea regarding this one. We had not used many. These all. Border dash box. What happened?
oh, it's be that box becoming three box.
Yeah, means it keeping inside one box. Border dash box. Means see. Now we got this border. Okay. So with the help of box border dash box, we can adjust that. Means we can keep all together. That we can tell. Now suppose you want a 4 box. Okay. Just then what I will do? Wait, I will not go with this one. I will take image section. Just wait. 7.html. Yeah, I will take that image one. Now this one. Yeah. So image side by side. Okay. Grid boxes display image. Okay. Yeah. See, you know where these all will help you. These all will help you when you making suppose that a gallery. Okay. In gallery, you have to pass images only. So that time it will help you too much. How you can make the gallery part. Suppose that you have one section like a about. In about, that's fine. When you're going with contact as, that also fine. But when you have to make some image gallery, that time it will help you too much. Now oh my god, again I have to pass images. Then okay, height and width is set at no issue. Control slash double dot double image, then let it to be 1 tree bed and src this one remove and go this one. Let's say remove this tree, then pass baby.gif, then remove this also. See, this is interesting actually in case if you want to add gallery, you want to add some images. So that section baby.gif already be taken. Next Hi. Okay. Now see what we getting in our output. What is that file name? File name is 7.pgi. See, you got the gallery. Correct or not? Some space is there in the middle of each. Go with 100%. Yeah, it's 100%. Now you can adjust. Now do one thing. Now remove that border boxing.
That third one picture will come down.
Now see what happened. It came down. Which had came down? This had came down because this girl picture is already on that position itself. Correct or not?
Yes,
And this
yes.
also there. So this came down. So with the help of border boxing, we are combining all together. So now tell me, if I want a 4 image, how I can?
You better you have to insert one more image.
One more image. Okay. Praful is there. Who is there now? Anyone had joined? Approach. Okay. Hey, approach. Where you had gone?
Sir, actually, electricity is not there, sir. So my laptop is shut down. So now came when I insert the charger and join, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now what we will do? We will pass some images. Okay. And now see what happened. We got one image in the bottom. Abhishek, tell me, I want this image also in the last, means along all 4 images. What we can do?
Sorry, for float.
First, see, float, it will not work. Because with the help of float, you can pass only left and right, and already that float is available. I telling you one suggestion. Image container is there. Who?
Sir,
Who telling? Approach. Okay. Tell me.
sir, bit size is there, no, sir, in CSS.
Yeah, bit is there. Correct.
This one can decrease, sir. It will come
Much.
there, sir.
How much? How much? Tell me exact.
Exact 25, sir.
25.
Yes.
Yeah. Got this. Abhishek, had you got this idea?
Yes, sir.
What we had done? Indirectly.
In bottom
we had
picture in a sequence in width.
No. Okay. Go on. Carry on.
In full width adjust. This picture.
No. One thing. One question. What is the full screen width?
So 100%.
100% for anything. We are calculating 100%. Correct? How many image was previously? 3 image?
Yes, sir. 3 image.
Let go calculator. Wait. 100 divided by 3. How much came? 33.33.
33.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's why we had passed 33. Now come to different 100. Now I want 4 image. Divide by 4.
25.
How much? 25. Now I want 4 image. 5 image. How much is width will be?
20.
100 divided by 5 image.
5.
Yeah, 20.
20.
Do one thing. Don't pass image. Just pass this 20. Let's see what it will do. What happened?
Yes, sir.
What is this one? Empty.
We get that space.
Means he had divided that space in the 5 section, but he had not given you the image because you had not passed. Now what we can do? We can pass image and it will automatically come.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. These all images came in one sequence. It had not a decrease in the means second line, third line, not like that. Correct.
Okay.
So with the help of this type, we can make our gallery. And
Okay.
these all things.
These all things we are go for box size.
1 second. Box size. Okay. Yeah. That also will come one time again. And these all things we want in assignment and in your website from tomorrow onwards. Okay. That your image is like that. No. Gallery. If gallery page is there, means in gallery your image should be proper. Now tell me one thing. If I want the same image in the bottom also, means I have multiple images, 10, 20 images. What we will do? How we will get the image in the bottom again? What we will do?
We have to pass again, sir, or
Which one? This image.
Sir, in CSS, sir.
Okay, CSS. What I will write here? Tell me.
Hmm.
I want
Again,
the image. Yeah. Okay.
again, we will write dot ems or, and another is we can use a BR tag also to come in.
BR tag. Amardeep, what we can do? Tell. I want one more. Yeah, I want one more sequence of the same image
So,
or other image, whatever.
so for first copy paste that div again, that image part.
We will
No,
just copy paste this one. The
No,
complete
sir.
div.
No,
Only
sir. First,
one
only
image.
one div, and then sir, width we have to decrease the width to 19%.
Oh, you telling that one image? No, I want again 4 image in the second line. Again 4 image in the third line, like this type. Means we going to
Yes.
make gallery.
Given, sir,
Sir, then, sir, go to the code,
Okay.
copy the whole div
Yeah,
from
that. Yeah.
yeah,
So from
copy
here
that.
to here, we will copy and we will paste.
Yeah.
And see, you got the image gallery in the second line. I want one more time. Just paste. See, we got 3 sequence. This is the thing. What we had done, we had pass again a deep section again and again. And same CSS, whatever CSS we had passed, it already applied there.
Okay, we
Clear,
can
Abhi?
apply over here border also.
Huh,
So it will
border
be-
is already, see, okay. Means you telling regarding this image border outside.
Yes.
Yeah, you can, whatever you want, manipulate that. That all you know. Now you can pass whatever you want. Now that not need that I will tell that. DOTTE dotted and go with a red. Let's see what it going to do. See, we got the dotted and red. Each have got this. So this way we can make, and you can arrange the height and width of images. You have to arrange
Sir,
that.
no understand, sir.
What?
Sir, no, this one no understand, sir.
Okay, not understand. See what I had done. I want first line sequence of the image in the second line also. One more time. Suppose that you have multiple image. What you will do? Will you will you add all the images in the single line? If you have multiple image, your gallery, what you will do? Your full page will come with image only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do? You will pass image. Means now what we had done? We had divided into 4 section or 5 section, and we pass the images. One line
Yes, sir.
completed. Okay. I want the image also in the second line and 5 image. What we had done? We had just copy paste the above one. Means this complete div, because my complete CSS is applied here. On this one, clear fix is written. See, our CSS is written already. What we will do? We will just copy this complete div and paste it in the bottom. Correct or not? As much time you want. No need to break and this thing. Because div is already breaking. It is block level.
Yes, sir.
Correct. You got
Okay,
clear?
got it.
Clear,
Yes,
got
sir.
it? So as much time you want this sequence, just a copy paste. Same thing. See, now I telling you one thing. Now how many line of code is there for just placing this image? Approx you can tell 30 lines, 30, 40, whatever. When you
Yes,
will,
sir.
when we will work with Angular, no need to write this much line. Only 2 line of code is enough for this same thing. Okay, that's why the now just imagine 30 line of code. It going to increase the file size. Okay, and due to that your file load will be slow. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, we
File
can
size
do like
increase.
also, sir.
Which type?
Means we have to make another CSS class, and we will pass
Okay.
there that property for
Now
another.
tell me. Now tell me one thing. If you passing this CSS property again, what is the benefit?
No, sir. Sir, I want another images, sir. This one is just copy, no, sir.
Okay, you want images, man. Then just you
Another
will
images,
remove.
sir. Here,
Wait. if you want another image, just you will remove this src and you will pass the
When we
another
have
image.
pass any images, it will come down, sir.
Yeah, it will come according to their position. Suppose I had removed image src. Now see which image missed. This image missed.
Yes.
So
Got it, sir.
just
I thought.
yeah, so no need that much, but just we will pass src. That's it. We will get that. Abhishek, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
sir, first one doubt, sir. So when
yeah,
we using box sizes, we uses box sizes
1 second. Which you
or
telling? Tell me.
image
Oh, this.
container we use.
Oh, this one you telling box sizing.
Yes, sir.
Box sizing. Let's see after commenting what it will do. Just realize from your end itself. What happened? 1 image, 2 image, 3 image, 4 image. 5th image
Yes,
came
sir.
down. Then 1 image, 2 image, 3, 4. 5th image came down. Means whatever extra images is there, means you can tell according to box, it coming down. Let's do one thing. Let it zoom in. Then also be getting same thing or what? Now we are on 25% zoom. Means due to box sizing, it is like a container. Okay, it
Yes,
maintaining
sir.
all things exactly. Means it will not
Yeah.
tell you go left right. It keeping that proper.
Okay.
Anyone
So,
having doubt anything? Yeah,
and image container.
image container is nothing. This is CSS part.
Okay.
This is on a div. I think. Wait 1 second. See, on each div of image, we had passed that one image container. That is just CSS. That is class name.
Okay.
Correct or not?
Correct, sir. Correct.
Because we already seen float and left, float and
Yeah.
width. What it was doing? Okay. Then padding already we know that. Then border. Okay. So nothing is there. Yeah.
And a clear fix.
Clear fix just now we had seen. It not going to do anything, but it going to remove that left means it is used for that in previous one we had seen. What was that? I forget.
Okay.
1 second.
Adjusting
Wait.
image in a box.
No. Clear fix not doing that. It is for placing the element. See.
Yes, left, right placing image.
Yeah. See. Clear fix without clear fix and with clear fix. Means this image came in the box border
Yes, sir.
and this image coming outside. That is clear fix. Okay.
Okay.
If you will not use clear fix, then also you will get that output. It will work. Clear? Now, equal height box. Anyone have issue?
No issue.
Okay. So once try to make a gallery section of your website or assignment, then you will get this too much. Then it will be helpful. Now, what is there? Equal height boxes. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. Okay, box sizing we had passed. Okay, let me go one thing. What is this? In the previous example, you learn float boxes side by side with equal width. However, it is not easy creating floating boxes with equal height. A quick fix, however, is to set fixed height, like example below. Let me do one thing. What is this one doing? Box sizing. We had passed here, same thing, correct? Yeah. Let me do one thing. Go through the Google and what it doing actually. CSS. The box sizing property define how the width and height of an element are calculated. Should they include padding and border or not? Okay, it is just for calculating the what is that height, width, margin, whatever they be providing. Border box tell the browser to account for any border and padding in the values. You specify the element width and height. Got this one? It is maintaining whatever height width we will provide. That is the thing. With the help of which one? Box, border box, box sizing, border box. Okay. Next, which was that? Clear fix, removed this one. Okay. So here we had taken something and what is the use of this one? It's going to write, I think, make boxes. See, whatever still be no play float that float padding margin, that's enough because those things will be come by rotating their head. Okay, they will come again and again by different page only, but they're not going to do any new task. Now our day 8. Day 8. Now see what it had done. Had you done anything in this one? Nothing. We had passed width equal to 50%, float equal to left. We had passed something padding and height already we had seen. That's it. Means we make 2 boxes with equal size. What about when we inspect? Will it go down? Let's see. Samsung Galaxy, no, it had compressed. That's it. What about iPhone? So it's a compressing, it's not going to. So with the help of this, you can make 2 boxes as like previously be seen. Images are divided into 4 sections, means you can tell 4 boxes. Here 2 boxes. Fine. Or anyone having issue? Whatever be seen on the top, those things itself, nothing is there extra. Fine.
Yes.
Now we will see the same thing by using Flex. By using Flex, we will see 9.html. How many files we are creating per day? Okay. Oh my God, this MDN. Okay, what was the file name? They are not saved. Let's refresh. Where is box? Are you realizing anything? Wait, it will not come. There is some issue. It will then come. Now see. This is the Flex. Okay. With the help of Flex, what we done? We divided same thing into 2 sections. Now do one thing. Resize your browser. What is written in the bottom? See. Try to resize the browser window to see the flexible layout. Now do one thing. Let's resize your browser. Whatever the content is telling, just follow that. What is happening? What are you getting? What are you observing actually here?
It will adjust automatically, sir.
Yeah, means whatever content is there, no? It's going to adjust in that section only. Correct. It's not going to means like going to stick you like a complete bit, like exact bit, and it compressing the content. No, it adjusting their self. It not compressing, auto adjust, we can tell. Okay, so now came to our code. What is written there? In the HTML, nothing is there, just one outside div, which is Flex container we had taken, and inside box, that's it. Different divs are there. That's it. But come to the here. What we have taken? This is our class name, Flex container, and main thing is this one, display Flex. Okay, and what about this one? Flex wrap. What is this? No wrap. What are you getting from the tab? No wrap. What do you mean from the word? This is no wrap. Having any idea? Hello?
I think, sir, text not be overflow, I think. For that one.
Like that, you can tell. I showing you one demo here. In our VS Code, are you getting this text? Where it going? Inside? See. Now this text gone inside, correct? In our VS Code.
Yes, sir.
So this is actually like a no wrap and word wrap. Okay, there is one option when you will move that setting, then whatever is going inside, it will not go inside, it will come into new line. Okay, That is one setting, no wrap. So with the help of no wrap, we can adjust. Okay. So do one thing. Only two things is here important. Okay. I going to comment this. After that we will see. What about this another background? Fine. Is there any issue in this one? Here
No, sir.
we had make one box. Just background color we had passed something. Then width 50%. That's fine. Already be seen 25, 50, 33. Then margin is there. Text alignment center. Line height. This is for the height between the line. Okay. Already we had seen this thing previously. Line height and text height, spacing something. Then font size. Different. So now I commented that. Let's see what it's going to do. First go with the full screen. What happened? It get completely as usual normal. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Whatever content is written on the second line. What is second line? Second is box 2. My height will follow box 1. It is written like this. What about this? It came down. Can anyone explain why we get both up and down? Can anyone? This is your one box. This is your second box. Why we get both boxes up and down? Previously it was coming right side and left side. Go through the code. You will realize.
Right side.
This is your box 1 and box 2. This is working like that. Why? Because what type of element div?
Text
Div
container.
is what type of element?
The block level element.
Correct. So block level. That's why it came down. Correct or not?
Okay. Correct, sir.
Yeah. So what we want? We want to use flex. How we are using flex? See, many time in interview they are asking what is flex and how they working. That question also. So flex it going to make the page responsive type. How it will do? Now one comment and just look one time. What it had done? It taken this box here and this box here. With the help of which one? Display flex. I will comment this line, no wrap, and let's see what it going to do. What happened? Not anything now. Let's wait. Comment that's okay. Let resize this on screen. It had not done anything. It's not visual, but let uncomment first and then see what happened. Anything? No wrap. Let's see. Nothing is there. No issue. Let's comment flex itself and let's verify what it was doing. What you observed as usual previous due to flex it gone and it came bottom. So with the help of flex, in case of flex we will go with two things. When you using flex you have to take two things. One is a display flex and one is a display one is flex wrap, no wrap. Let's verify other property of these two. Okay, let me first go this. Yeah, can anyone tell what was that display other property? We had seen this. What was other property of display? I think yesterday itself we had seen. Can anyone?
See,
None.
hidden.
None. Hidden or anything more was there? Morning, what we had seen?
Sir, block, inline, flex.
Block, correct. So see, if you have like block level element, you can convert inline with the help of that. Sorry, where the cursor? Yeah, with the help of a different property. Now go and check with inline what it going to do. What happened? Means it not work, but because we maybe be taking outside of container. No, it's a flex container. Okay, we can pass that value, and after that, as like previously we had seen, same type display have different property, block, inline, and one is flex. Flex is used for making a responsive type. Okay, so whenever we using flex, we have to pass another property, flex wrap. then only it will work. Now see, you got this, and flex no wrap. Let's remove this. What is another property they have? Wrap and no wrap. Let's check this. Wrap also. What it will do? What happened? It came down. Correct or not? So what you understand there? If you have to use flex, then which one you have to follow? No wrap. Then you will get this. So with the
so which
Yeah.
time you will go for single flex and which time you will go for flex wrap?
single flex, I can't get. Means display flex you telling.
No. In beforely we are already given flex right. Simple we given. But right, no.
Flex
That
right, float
no,
right, that
one
was.
that one float. Okay, got it.
See, these all things, just now we had seen 33% and those things. Okay. So in that case, we can use flexible box, and with the help of this, we can make a responsive type where your content not going to compress. That is the main say. You can tell benefit. See, it not going to compress. It making responsive type. Correct. So that is the benefit of flex. Got it? Okay. Now next topic is navigation bar. Navigation menu. I will not go much more because these all things we know. These are just simple examples. I will show you the demo just. Whatever topics were there, we covered all. Now I will show you just a demo sample. What is this? 10.html. Who is calling? Who is this? Pawar, Amol Pawar. Okay, let's set away. Okay, so see, what about this one? Okay, now save this and go and verify. What you got? You got navigation bar. Same thing you have to create. Correct. So already we had seen that how we can list type already be taking list. So just to see this, be taking list, and here we had passed some URL. See this, news is coming, contact is coming, then about is coming this way. Then we pass list type, already we seen yesterday. Margin padding we removed completely. Overflow hidden. You have to go one by one these all, and you have to see what each is doing, because we already done all the things. So I'm not thinking we have to go one by one. See, when you going like over, see this one. Let's say change the color. Wait, I will go some green color, and let's say over is green. Correct. So this way you can make your navigation bar. Already code is written. You can go through that. Anyone want anything more in this one? Then something is web layout. Same again. These are not topic. I will tell you. These are simple examples. Okay. Here some web layout like a header, footer, how you can pass. You can go through this and you can verify what are the sections, how you can. Okay. So in the case of CSS float property, these all already we had seen, like box sizing, define how the width and height of element are calculated. Okay. Should they include the padding or border or not? So we can go this. Then clear, float, overflow X and Y. We seen that. Anyone having any issue? Tell me regarding this. Anyone having issue? Any issue or all have issue? Left alignment, okay. Right alignment.
No issues.
No issue. Okay. So we will And these are just simple examples. Okay, these all examples means like you can tell your complete code. So you can go one by one in this code and you can verify due to which what had came. And then you can imagine I want to make, suppose just take image and now you try how I can make this one. Okay, don't go with the code, practice yourself and then you have to verify what changes is there required. Okay, so now my next topic is display inline block. We know that how to convert inline. What is inline we know, what is block we know. But another topic is inline block, combination of inline and block level element. As we can tell, inline element and block level element, combination of that both, it become inline block. So this I will cover tomorrow with a fresh mind. That's it. I'm not going to make khichdi of this one. Okay. So
Okay,
anyone
sir.
having issue? Who is telling? Roshan? Okay, I'm going to stop recording.